This is a breaking update of chaos that has been witnessed in a Virar-based hotel in the outskirts of Mumbai, where workers from the Bahujan Vikas Aghadi created a ruckus after alleging that BJP leader Vinod Tavade was distributing money in a hotel. Now, these are the allegations from BVA supporters, which has had a hold in Vasai Virar area. We have Arunil with us right now. Arunil, pictures of coming in of protest as well. What exactly are the allegations being leveled?
Well, these are visuals from Vivanta Hotel in Virar, wherein you can see Vinod Tavade can be clearly seen. Along with him was the son of the local BJP candidate from Virar constituency, that is Rajendra Naik. Now, the supporters of Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, a party which holds clout in the Vasai Virar area. The supporters, basically workers, barged into the hotel, and they can be seen in the visuals showing money, and they are claiming that it was the BJP leader Vinod Tavade and the son of the local candidate Rajendra Naik who were distributing money, and that is the money that they basically are showing to the cameras. Now, these are only claims of the Bahujan Vikas Aghadi supporters. The Election Commission certainly will be looking into these allegations, but considering Vinod Tavade is a senior national level BJP leader, he can be seen denying on the camera that this is his money, and in fact he's showing that these are theatrics that have been initiated by the Bahujan Vikas Aghadi supporters. The Election Commission, again I'll point out, will be looking into the allegations and these visuals that have been put forth by the BVA supporters in Virar, in the outskirts of Mumbai, around 30 kilometers from Mumbai.
Right, because in those pictures the police can also be seen there. Anand Dubey हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए. आनंद दुबे जी, क्या कहेंगे आप? एक बहुत बड़ा आरोप लगाया जा रहा है on part of the BVA suggesting that Vinod Tavade of the BJP was distributing money, जो वो इनकार कर रहे हैं.
बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. हमने जो सुना है कि चुनाव प्रचार जब समाप्त हो जाता है, कोई कितना भी बड़ा नेता हो, वो अपने घर चला जाता है, अपने गृह वापस लौट जाता है. विनोद तावड़े जी, चूंकि दिल्ली के बड़े नेता हैं, भाजपा के राष्ट्रीय महासचिव है, वो रहने को विले पार रहे हैं, तो 60 किलोमीटर दूर वसई विरार क्या कर रहे हैं? चुनाव आयोग ने अपनी आंखों पे क्या पट्टी बांध दी है? पुलिस प्रशासन कहाँ चला गया? ये सब बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति है. अगर ये सब ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो लोकतंत्र की किसी भी प्रकार से सुरक्षा नहीं हो पाएगी. हम यही चाहते हैं कि इस पे कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाए, इस पूरे घटना की जांच की जाए और दूध का दूध पानी का पानी किया जाए. क्यों विनोद तावड़े वहां थे, क्या कर रहे थे, ये तो बहुत बड़ा जांच का विषय है.
All right. Anand Dubey, thank you very much for joining in. Well, suggesting that there needs to be a free and fair probe that needs to be conducted. The police that can be also been seen in those visuals there, Arunil, because this is now getting bigger. The other faction is now demanding investigation as to what Vinod Tavade was doing there in that particular hotel.
Well, that is right. We heard Anand Dubey from Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena asking a question that when it is a silent period going on before the polling begins tomorrow in the state of Maharashtra, what is Vinod Tavade, who basically doesn't stay in Virar, what is he doing in a hotel in Virar? And these are very serious allegations that have been put forth by the supporters of the Bahujan Vikas Aghadi. Again, we will highlight that these are allegations that have been made or leveled by the Bahujan Vikas Aghadi supporters, and the Election Commission certainly will be looking into it. That is a demand from the MBA also now, that is the Maha Vikas Aghadi, which sits in the opposition at present. Vinod Tavade, a senior national level leader of the BJP, basically as per the allegations, he was allegedly distributing money. This is an allegation coming in from the supporters of Bahujan Vikas Aghadi. It is the Bahujan Vikas Aghadi candidate against Rajendra Naik, the BJP candidate in the Virar constituency. With Vinod Tavade was also the son of Rajendra Naik, who could be seen at the Vivanta Hotel in Virar.
All right. So at this hotel, even when it comes to the elections that would be taking place in few hours from now, we are already looking at questions being raised on the very presence of the BJP leader at this particular hotel there, by chaos and protests that could be seen on the allegations that have now been leveled on part of the Bahujan Vikas Aghadi. The Karyakartas there creating a ruckus after they alleged that BJP leader Vinod Tavade was distributing money in a hotel. Now, these are the allegations that have been leveled by the BVA supporters. Remains to be seen what happens from here on. Thank you very much, Arunil, for joining us here on the broadcast.